Hi guys, welcome back to BBT Recipes, where you'll find recipes from different corners of the world. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any video. So today's recipe is beef gravy, and here I'm just preparing some of the things that I'm going to be using. And so if you'd like to see how to achieve this beef gravy recipe, then please keep watching. Thank you. Okay, and so for the very first step, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to a heated pan. Before adding my seasoned and marinated beef. And for this, I'm just going to cook on very low heat. I did not add any water just because of the water from the meat as well. So I'm just going to allow this to cook on low, very low heat. And once the meat is almost tender, that's when I'm going to be adding my spring onions and scotch bonnet. Okay, and followed by my sausages and shrimps, as well as the red and green bell peppers. And if you like more of the peppers, you can add more. It's all up to you. Okay, followed by the frosted vegetables, and I use broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. A very good way to enjoy, your vegetables and all. Use any vegetable of your choice. It's up to you and your preference. Okay, so I allowed this to simmer for a bit before adding my seasoning. So I added half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I mixed this all together and cooked for extra 2 minutes. Okay, and if the water from your gravy is all dried up, you can add more water. I added 1.5 cup of water here, and you can add more water depending on if you'd like more of the gravy, the sauce, than the meat and vegetables. Okay, followed by half a tablespoon of corn flour mixed with water, and this is just to thicken the gravy. And you want to make sure that you stir immediately to prevent lumps from forming in the gravy. Followed by 1 cube of Knorr Maggi for seasoning, and then check for salt and stir all together and allow to simmer for extra 6 to 10 minutes on very low heat. And your food is ready, guys. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.